It's so important for me to have easy to cook meals because I work full time, the girls are a full-time job in themselves. I need cooking to be quick, easy, straightforward and on the table within like 10 minutes. Hi, I'm Vicky. I'm a mum of 2 girls and I work full time. Shepherd's pie is one of those meals that just totally evokes memories of childhood for me. It's just that comforting food, that comforting feeling of having something really hearty, something that's really delicious. You know, you've got your nice creamy mash on the top and then you've got really hearty sort of lamb stew inside. For us, family time is really important, so we really make a point of sitting down together all at the same time to have the same meal. I don't like to cook loads of different things and have us having meals at lots of different times, so it's really special to have that time together. I try and sneak veg into every single meal that they have somehow, so I might put some carrots into this little mini chopper that I've got, whiz that up and then I'll put it in a meat mixture, which is just perfect because they don't know they're having it, but they're getting a spoonful of it with every single bite, which is just perfect. I try not to let the girls have too much red meat because I'm really keen to let them have fish and a bit of variety, but I think lamb mince is such a great thing for kids to eat. I think it gives them loads of energy. It's such a good source of protein. I like to know that it's organic. That can be a really big sort of selling point for me. I also use onions in this meal as well, which just give it a really nice flavour, but the girls can get, particularly my toddler, my eldest, can get a little bit funny about onions in her food, so I chop them up really finely and hide them in the sauce so she doesn't know they're there. So I try and cook it for the girls as often as possible because I'm getting them that vegetable hit, and that's so important to make sure they're eating their 5 a day. Love using fresh herbs in this recipe. I think rosemary and lamb go so beautifully together. So it's one of those sort of little kind of touches that I really think finishes it off really nicely. And it also gets the girls used to like different tastes and different smells. It's so important to me for my girls to be good at cooking. I really want them to be comfortable with fresh ingredients, to be able to come up with things on the spot with just what they've got in the fridge. So it's so important for me to get them engaged in what I'm doing when I'm cooking, to talk to them about fresh ingredients and to let them know that it's actually pretty easy. My mum taught me everything that I know about cooking. Shepherd's pie is one of my all-time favourite meals. I can remember my mum cooking it for me regularly when I was growing up, and it's a recipe that her mum did for her, so it's been in the family for a really long time. I can remember sitting in the kitchen, watching her cooking it, getting all the potatoes peeled and making the mash, putting the mince into the pan. So it really sticks in my head every time I cook it, those sort of memories of watching her do it. And I know the recipe so well that I can do it without anything written down in front of me. I just know it by heart. Even though I've done a few little bits kind of different, actually it's all still basically the same as what my grandmother did. So it's a really nice story behind it for our family.